Hi everyone, my name is Shaun, and today I'll be reviewing my experience as an intern at Western Power through the Australian Power Institute Power Up Scholarship. So let's get into it. So, who are Western Power? Western Power is a power utilities company owned by the WA state government and has been operating for over 70 years. Western Power's main priority is to build, maintain, and operate one of WA's electricity grids. One of the electricity grids in WA is the Southwest Interconnected System. It is one of the world's largest standalone grids with over 7,800 kilometers of transmission lines. As you can see from the map, this massive network spans as far north as Kalbarri, all the way down south to Albany, and also extends eastward as far as Kalgoorlie. It is also worth mentioning that Western Power mainly focuses on the transmission and distribution aspects. As of today, Western Power is responsible for connecting some 2.3 million customers to the Southwest Interconnected System. During my time at Western Power, I was fortunate to be placed in the network operations sector. This area is responsible for analyzing the Southwest Interconnected System 24/7. Its key roles involve precise control of the network, identification and management of outages, as well as to direct field crews to assist in areas of outages. You can think of network operations as the brain and nervous system of the Western Power network. Network operations consists of four teams: network control, operational systems, network access engineering, and operations consulting. I won't go through all the teams in depth, however, feel free to pause the video and have a read of what each team does. I was placed in network access engineering, which consists of identifying network constraints, plan for grid interruptions, and coordinate network outage reports to AMO. One task that I was involved with is to identify outages throughout the distribution network by using software such as Power On tools. These outages are also collected from logged customer complaints and field crew reports. Outage causes can have numerous reasons, which include bird strikes, lightning strikes, bushfires, debris, or faulty equipment. Outages that occur more than once in the same area will be subjected to further investigation by our engineering teams. Additionally, I was given tasks to monitor the transmission network. I had to identify and investigate transmission force outages due to faults throughout the network, once again using software such as Power On tools. Once these transmission outages are identified, we ensure they are returned to service and report these faults to AMO. As we transition to a net zero world, many residential areas and businesses throughout WA aim to convert using solar panels. For this to happen, the customer's solar panels must be compatible with Western Power's network specifications. Throughout this endeavor, I was tasked with analyzing each customer's solar panel test results and compared them with Western Power standards to ensure compatibility. Some key technical requirements include ensuring the customer uses the correct inverter settings, correct protection relay setup, ensure anti-islanding configurations are in order, and see that the customer adheres to correct standards. So, how is Western Power impacting WA communities and customers? By ensuring the Southwest Interconnected System runs efficiently 24/7, Western Power ensures that WA's critical infrastructure is operating through continuous analysis of our transmission and distribution systems. Furthermore, Western Power helps in the effort to achieve net zero by allowing communities to transition to solar energy. Thank you for listening to this presentation. I hope you found it informative. A huge thank you to Western Power for allowing me to participate in this internship and further develop my understanding of the power engineering industry. Finally, a huge thank you to the Australian Power Institute who provided me with the Power Up Scholarship and the opportunities to continue learning about the power industry. And I encourage that any engineering student to apply for the 2025 scholarship intake.